Trump releases AI action plan aimed at winning race with China. Imagine if I told you that the future of artificial intelligence and America's position as a global superpower could be decided in the next 4 years. Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. And Donald Trump just dropped a massive bombshell that could change everything. We're talking about a comprehensive AI action plan that's designed to take on China in what many are calling the most important technological race of our lifetime. But here's the thing that nobody's talking about. This isn't just about technology. This is about economic dominance, national security, and quite literally, who gets to shape the future of human civilization. And the stakes couldn't be higher. What Trump just announced could either catapult America into an unprecedented era of technological supremacy, or it could be the most expensive gamble in political history. Today, we're diving deep into this AI action plan, breaking down what it actually means, why China has everyone so worried, and most importantly, what this could mean for your future. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Why is everyone suddenly freaking out about AI and China? Well, if you've been following the tech world lately, you know that artificial intelligence isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's happening right now, and it's happening fast. We're talking about AI systems that can write code, create art, diagnose diseases, and even make strategic military decisions. China has been pouring billions of dollars into AI development, and they're not playing around. Their government has made it crystal clear that they want to be the world's AI superpower by 2030. That's not just a goal, that's a national obsession. They've got massive tech companies like Baidu and Alibaba working around the clock. They've got government backing that American companies can only dream of. And they've got access to data from over 1 billion people. Meanwhile, America has been dealing with regulatory uncertainty, privacy concerns, and a whole lot of political back and forth about how to handle AI development. Don't get me wrong, we've got incredible companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft pushing the boundaries, but there's been this nagging feeling that we might be falling behind. That's where Trump's AI action plan comes in. And let me tell you, it's ambitious. We're talking about a comprehensive strategy that touches on everything from research funding to regulatory frameworks to international partnerships. The plan is essentially Trump's answer to China's AI dominance strategy, and it's designed to ensure that America doesn't just compete, but wins. One of the biggest components of this plan is massive federal investment in AI research and development. We're talking about billions of dollars flowing into universities, research institutions, and private companies. The idea is to create an ecosystem where American innovation can flourish without the bureaucratic red tape that has been slowing things down. But here's where it gets really interesting. The plan also includes significant changes to immigration policy, specifically aimed at attracting the world's top AI talent to America. This is huge because, let's face it, the AI race isn't just about money, it's about brains. The country that can attract and retain the smartest AI researchers and engineers is going to have a massive advantage. The plan also addresses something that's been a major concern for American tech companies, and that's access to the rare earth minerals and semiconductors that are essential for AI hardware. China has been dominating this market, and that's given them significant leverage. Trump's plan includes strategies for securing alternative supply chains and reducing dependence on Chinese materials. Now let's talk about the regulatory side of things, because this is where it gets complicated. The plan promises to streamline regulations and create a more business-friendly environment for AI development. The argument is that while China is moving fast and breaking things, America has been caught up in endless debates about AI safety and ethics. But here's the tension. AI safety isn't just some abstract concern. We're talking about technology that could potentially reshape every aspect of human society. The question is, how do you balance the need for rapid innovation with the very real risks that come with powerful AI systems? The plan tries to thread this needle by establishing what they're calling innovation zones, areas where AI companies can test new technologies with reduced regulatory oversight, while still maintaining safety standards. It's an interesting approach, but critics are already raising concerns about whether this could lead to dangerous AI systems being deployed too quickly. Another major component of the plan is international cooperation, but with a twist. Instead of trying to work with China on AI development, the plan focuses on building alliances with countries like Japan, South Korea, the UK, and other democratic allies. The idea is to create a coalition of nations that can compete with China's state-directed approach. This is actually pretty smart when you think about it. China's biggest advantage has been their ability to coordinate massive resources through government direction. By creating an alliance of democratic nations, America could potentially match that coordination while maintaining the innovation advantages that come from free market competition. The plan also includes significant investments in AI education and workforce development. This is crucial because right now there's a massive shortage of people who understand AI well enough to work with it effectively. We're talking about everything from elementary school coding programs to advanced graduate degrees in machine learning. But let's be real about the challenges here. First, there's the question of whether Congress will actually fund all of this. We're talking about a massive financial commitment at a time when the federal budget is already stretched thin. Second, there's the question of whether American companies and institutions can actually execute on this vision. China has some significant advantages that are hard to replicate. Their government can make decisions quickly without worrying about democratic processes. They have access to massive amounts of data without the privacy restrictions that limit American companies. And they have a culture of long-term thinking that sometimes seems absent in American business and politics. On the other hand, America has its own advantages. Our universities are still the best in the world for AI research. Our tech companies have a track record of breakthrough innovations. And our democratic system, while sometimes slow, tends to produce more sustainable and ethical approaches to technology development. The real question is whether this AI action plan can leverage America's strengths while addressing its weaknesses. And honestly, the jury's still out on that one. What's really fascinating about this whole situation is how it's changing the nature of international competition. This isn't like the space race, where the goal was clearly defined and the winner was obvious. AI is going to touch every aspect of society, from healthcare to transportation to financial services to national defense. The country that leads in AI isn't just going to have better technology, they're going to have better everything. Better medical treatments, more efficient transportation systems, more accurate financial markets, and more effective military capabilities. That's why the stakes are so high. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if this plan works, we could be looking at an era of unprecedented American technological dominance. Better AI could mean better healthcare, more efficient energy systems, and solutions to problems we haven't even figured out how to solve yet. But if it doesn't work, if America falls behind in the AI race, the consequences could be severe. We could be looking at a world where authoritarian regimes have access to AI capabilities that democratic nations simply can't match. The truth is, Trump's AI action plan is both ambitious and risky. It's a massive bet on America's ability to out-innovate and out-execute the rest of the world. Whether it succeeds or fails could determine not just America's future, but the future of democracy itself. What do you think? Is this the bold action America needs, or is it too little too late? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more coverage of the stories that are shaping our world.